Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025. Take a quick look at the market. Nasdaq is up 0.5, Dow is up 0.6, S&P is up 0.5. Volume is a little bit lower. Let me just refresh, make sure. Yeah, there you go. And yeah, volume is lower. So let's take a quick look at the index here. Here it is. So we did make a higher high this morning, so that's good. The intraday chart, it's trying to come back now to test the low, the little gap up here. So hopefully things won't turn ugly, but it's something to watch out for. If we have a reversal and come back down, that would be not good. But yeah, something to watch out for today. SPY, again, very similar action. It did reverse from this morning high. This is a very big reversal so far. Looks like it's testing the low right now. So it's okay to test it, but once it tests it, is it gonna bounce back and stuff like that, right? So here we bounce back, but again now, generally testing the second time. Well, technically this is third time low now, right? This is one, two, and three. So that's usually not a good thing. So just again beware of that. You know, we could turn into an ugly day. Who knows, right? Dow looks a lot better intraday. You can see the higher lows. It is bouncing. So yeah, looks slightly better intraday. And then finally Russell here. So this one also trading at the bottom range here. Hasn't make new high yet, right? It's keep making lower lows. So again, this is exactly what we don't want to see. We still have yesterday's low as support. If we do break that, I mean that's not going to be good, because then we have lower lows and which kind of consider still a downtrend, right? So anyhow, yeah, today's market is not very strong at all right now. I feel like it was very strong at the open and it has kind of weakened significantly, and we're seeing some growth stocks also turning around, turning red as well from this morning. We do have, stocks in the move. We still have like pretty good volume here, 20 stocks here, and yeah. So let's take a look. We have MDB, Credo. So techs are the strongest today. Let's look at MDB. Big jump here on earnings. Yeah, Credo, similar thing, big jump again, reverse, right? From this morning high, it's expected, right? It's very extended. So never chase. You know, I never chase it anyway. For me personally, I always wait for it to kind of pull back towards the 10-day and wait for a better entry point, or at least wait for it to test its low, recent low kind of thing. Uh, we do have, let's see, NSCC, ATAT, Snowflake. Um, yeah, I don't think Snowflake has meet my criteria for earnings, but let's take a quick look here. I could also bounce out of this trend line here. It did reverse. So again, many tech stocks reversing this morning. Not a good sign. We have Coherent. We'll come back to that in a second. App, the app here. This one looks pretty good. Double bottom base, breaking out from trend line. Right now, it's near the traditional buy point, the middle point of the double place here. That looks pretty good. ARGX Marvel is reporting today. Um, let me go. Here it is bouncing nicely so far. Again, reporting I think after hours probably. So just watch out for that one. We have, let's see what else we have here. Dell, um, bouncing out, but it has reversed as well. So something to see if it can hold. Again, today I think is an important day, especially for not just the general market, but for tech stock, because a lot of them make a move this morning, but they kind of came back down, right? So not a good thing. So this is Shopify bouncing right now. I'm not sure what happened yesterday. It was an ugly day yesterday. It broke all the short-term moving averages here. So again, we need to see if this can hold. So far it's holding, so that looks good. Let me go to my tech list here. A-Lab, huge reversal. Not sure what happened. Look at this. It was I guess it found resistance at the 50-day here, and then it came all the way back down. It's unfortunate, so it's not ready to come out yet. We have Amago here. Look at some of the bigger guys. Amago. This one also reversed. It was doing okay, and then now it's reversed. Look at 5-minute chart, like ugly reversal. Nvidia, very similar. Okay, see all the stocks are hitting new low right now, closing this morning's gap. Again, not a good sign because you don't want to see that, especially after it come above the short-term moving average. Now it reversed. Generally, that's a very negative sign. So, TSM, same thing here, pulling back. So a lot of them just pulling back, probably not working, not a good thing. Yeah. So, we have Palantir here. Let me see. SITM. Palantir also pulled back. See, it came out this morning and then it pulled back. So if we can close even halfway point today, that'll be a really good sign. But right now it's at the bottom of the range. So TSEM is still going, very strong. TR. This one also hitting new high, very strong. It has reversed a little bit. SITM. This one is starting to move. Looks pretty good. Those are the tech. Not much happening in retail today. Industrial, just a few. We have Air, CLH, Cohere. Symbolic get hit hard today. I think there's some insider selling. I'm not sure what the reason is. We have health, not moving much as well. IDXX, PNTG is really strong right now. Let's take a look at that one. Here you go. It's kind of accelerating right now, so it could be due for a pullback soon. Very strong stuff. Gold is getting hammered today. Let's take a quick look at gold bullion. Yeah, big drop today. I mean, let's look at AU. Huge drop today. Barrick. Yeah, there you go. All the stocks are getting hit hard. And it's not just gold. Like a lot of the metals and even other areas. What is the other one? SGML. This is lithium and big hit rate today, down 12% right now. So a lot of the areas get hit today in that precious metals and commodities area. Financials, we're seeing some, not too much movement, but we're seeing some movement in the PAGS here. This one's moving up nicely, right? It's trying to come to the previous high, and then we have CISL, a name that has been correcting for a long time. It's still kind of under this red line here, depending how you draw it. But the trend line, yeah, it looks pretty good in that sense because it has kind of slowly moving up and very tight trading. Today it make a new high this morning. Let's look at intraday chart. It's still holding tight, so that looks pretty good. Then we have SoFi. SoFi also holding up, reverse a little bit, but not too bad. Again, still looks pretty good on the chart, holding the lows here. So yeah, I mean, some of this area is starting to move. So yeah, overall, not a good day because a lot of the growth stocks reverse. But if we can close strong, it'll be setting up for the next day. So that's something to watch for. But if we don't and we come back down pretty hard, um, then we have to watch out because we make a new high on QQQ, but right now look at that, it already broke. So it's okay to break it, but let's see if we can hold and bounce back throughout the rest of the day. That will be ideal. If it can continue to come down, There's lots of volume here too on the sell side, so that's not good. But let's see how that goes, right? And then let's look at SPY here. Look at SPY, it's just keep going down, very similar, lots of volume coming in. Not a good sign. So again, I lean to more defensive at this moment just because this is a big movement, and I don't like seeing that. And this is on Dow, and then Russell has been more weaker than usual lately. Yesterday also really weak, right, on the closing side. So if we break this lows and it's testing it right now, that will be negative, right? Then we could come down all the way to 10-day here and so forth. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.